Now, I request our correspondent sir to hold the flag and over to Parasham sir.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलसि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे अड़ बोलो गणतंत्र भारत की
के मौके से इन नौरों के इस्तेमाल करें। आज क्या है 26 जनवरी यौम जमहूरिया इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। सो सारे बोलो मेरे साथ जिंदाबाद। इनकलाब इनकलाब जंग आज़ादी बोलिए मेरे साथ जिंदाबाद। इनकलाब जंग आज़ादी जो हमसे टकराएगा चूर चूर हो जाएगा। जौबे जमहूरिया जिंदाबाद। हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद। ऐने हिंद जिंदाबाद। संविधान जिंदाबाद। महात्मा गांधी जिंदाबाद। एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जिंदाबाद। डॉक्टर लोहिया जिंदाबाद। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद अमर रहे। डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी अंबेडकर अमर रहे। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद। मुहद्दिस कबीर हजरत मौलाना अब्दुल अजीज जिंदाबाद। हजरत मौलाना कासिम जिंदाबाद। Thank you everyone. Next I would like to invite correspondent sir to give the message on this auspicious day.
Good morning everybody. వేదికపైన ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్, వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, వసరా సార్, మరి ఇక్కడికి చేసిన ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ, ఉపాధ్యాయుని ప్రజలందరికీ మరియు విద్యార్థులకి మొట్టమొదటిగా 72వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ప్రతిసారి మనం చాలా గొప్పగా సెలబ్రేట్గా చేసుకుంటుంటుంది. డ్యూ టు కోవిడ్ కారణంగా ఈసారి అయినా కూడా మన స్కూల్ ఏమాత్రం కలదగ్గకుండా అంత కలర్ఫుల్గానే ఉన్నారు. మీరు అందరు రావడము, ప్రోగ్రామ్ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా సంతోషం. సో మన కష్టాలు కొంచెం పెరిగిపోయినాయని అనుకుందాం నెక్స్ట్ ఫిబ్రవరి నుంచి. సో కొత్త సంవత్సరం నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ మనం సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ ఎప్పట్లాగా మొట్టమొదటిగా అపెక్స్ ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ మరొకసారి మీ అందరికీ కూడా గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
Good morning to you all. You all, 22nd Republic Day, 1970 to all. I hope that we are keeping your soul. We are gathered today. We are meeting area. So, I hope that like this for many years we are celebrating Republic Day and Independence Day. Today is special. What for we are visiting our nearest and nearest students. Without students, not our, but even then, teachers are attending the home, putting like to the other. So anyhow, the accepting students also, we are wishing them a happy Republic to all our students. So accept that to the Next, Republic Republic not only for country but the Republic type program will make for our school implement and development also. So the school implement development means nothing but students implement. Students implement only school develops. Other without students implement, no development. Balance of everything is the zero. So we have to always be helpful as to society and we will be society improving, developing and be happy. Happy to all. Happy to all the independent. For Republic.
Thank you, sir. Of course, we teachers are struggling actually to develop our nation by being as teachers. Thank you so much. Next, I'd like to call our principal madam to give the speech in melodious voice.
Good morning, everyone, and wish all those who are present here a very happy 72nd Republic Day. This day, our Constitution came into force in 1960 because of the hard work of many intellectuals for a long period studying so many constitutions and taking best of them and made our Constitution the bulkiest and best constitution in the world. From that time onwards, many changes have taken place in India in different fields, in the technological field, in political field, in social field, in economic field, and so many. We experienced so many changes, but we never experienced this type of changes which we experienced this year because of the coronavirus. It's a new experience for us, and many of them they suffered because of that. But only one advantage I can find in that. Can you say? Our English vocabulary increased. New words have got into our language. Like we got the word corona, we got the word this lockdown, quarantine, isolation, many more words like this, and mask, social distance. All these words got into our language, entered into our language, and I think that's the only advantage, and maybe many more, but we have hope that we come out of this problem soon and get into our normal life very shortly. Thank you very much.
From this role, even we people and children, everyone, they came to know the importance of their family members. We got lots of time to spend with the family members. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call on the stage from our staff member, our senior teacher, Mr. Patel sir. Please come on the dais and wish to all of us.
వేదికపై ఉన్నటువంటి పెద్దలు అందరికీ, నాతోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ 72వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మరి ఈరోజు కరోనా నేపథ్యంలో కరోనా వచ్చింది, కళ్ళు తెరిపించింది మా అందరికీ, ముఖ్యంగా ప్రైవేటు ఉపాధ్యాయులకి. ఇది వాస్తవం. కాబట్టి మనమందరూ కూడా ఇక ముందు సరే భవిష్యత్తులో మంచి ప్రణాళికను రూపొందించుకోవాలని చెప్పేసి నేను ఆశిస్తూ, సరే నేడు రిపబ్లిక్ డే గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా సరే స్వాతంత్రం కోసం ఎంతోమంది పోరాడి ప్రాణాలు అర్పించి మనకు స్వాతంత్రాన్ని సంపాదించి పెట్టడం జరిగింది. మరి అటువంటి స్వాతంత్రాన్ని మనం మరి దేశం అనేటువంటిది ఏ విధంగా అభివృద్ధి చెందాలి, దానికి ఒక ప్రణాళిక, రాజ్యాంగం అమల్లోకి వచ్చినటువంటి దినం సుదినము. మరి ముఖ్యంగా మన రాజ్యాంగ రచయిత డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ గారు, భీమరావు రామ్జీ అంబేద్కర్ ఒక ప్రకటన, అతడు మొట్టమొదట మన భారతదేశం నుంచి పిహెచ్డి పట్టాను పొందినటువంటి వారు. ఆర్థిక శాస్త్రవేత్త, రాజకీయ నేత, సంఘ సంస్కర్త. ఇతను ముఖ్యంగా దళితులపై అంటరానితనాన్ని, కుల నిర్మూలన కోసం ఎంతో కృషి చేయడం అనేటువంటి జరిగింది. స్వాతంత్ర భారతదేశము మరి మొట్టమొదటి కేంద్ర న్యాయశాఖ మంత్రిగా పనిచేయడం, రాజ్యాంగ శిల్పి, ఉన్నత విద్యల కోసం మరి శాస్త్రాలు ఎన్నో చదివి దేశాలెన్నో తిరిగి గుడికి దూరంగా బడిలో చివరన మరి కూర్చొని ఉన్నతమైనటువంటి విద్యను అభ్యసించి రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రచించి పెట్టినటువంటి ఆ యొక్క అంబేద్కర్ గారు గొప్ప మహనీయులు భావిస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Sir, to wish.
Good morning to everyone, respected dignitaries on the dais, my teachers, and even any of some of the students are present over here. So extend my greetings of 72nd Republic celebrations. So happy Republic Day once again to everyone. So actually, the teachers, those who are present over here. So I would like to name them as Ferelio Takas. After seeing the situations and after seeing after listening to Pandya sir, I felt it that to share with you the story of Ferelio Takas, because most probably in this situation we can take the inspiration from his story. So it is a story of 1938. Don't worry, I will complete fastly. So Ferelio Takas, he was from Hungary, the country Hungary, and he was having the dream actually to win the Olympics, and he went into the event of shooting 25 meters away, rapid shooting. Under that, he felt it to get the gold medal. So from child onward, he was having a dream, and with the dream only, anyhow, as we will have dreams but to survive life again, we will go for job. He too went for the job for army, and many medals he have won national level, that means country level. So he want to go with even Olympics also. So in the year 1939, once again national games were there. He want to participate actually under that, so that if he win over there, then he can go to Olympics. So in the year 1938, as I said earlier, that he was working in the army. So they were having a training camp. Under the training camp, while training, he lost his left hand because of a grenade. He was holding a grenade, and it got busted out, and he has lost the best hand of him because he was a left-hander shooter. And as now we are in the situation of Corona, same way his condition was there. So here only two things were there in front of him. One thing, to go for the depression, to be aside from the world, to go underground, to make underground himself, to cry forever, to be as a loser. And the next condition was to face the situation and to won the whatever the dreams he was having. So he has selected the second one. Within 1 month, he got, that means he was hospitalized for 1 month, and after recovery, without the knowledge of anyone, he started the practice. And in the year 1939, when he went for national games, so all the players who were there came over to participate. They congratulated him. They said, this is a sports spirit of a sports person, that though he has lost the hand, he came to encourage them. They felt it so actually. But he said, no, I did not come over here to encourage you, but I came to compete with you. Then he participated, and under that he has won. Then he was selected for Olympics. Olympics was in the year 1940. He struggled for 1 year to win, to participate, but he was unfortunate because in the 1940 we got a Second World War, and because of Second World War they could not conduct the Olympics in that year. Again the Olympics was announced for the year 1944. After 4 years it was. So again he was in practice only. Again the same way, with the same spirit, he struggled. He wanted to participate, but once again because of effect of Second World War they have cancelled these Olympics actually. Again, even then without giving up, he thought of to struggle. Again he was with the same spirit, and in the year 1944 he participated. All those the candidates were there, they were with their best hand, because from child onwards or from them when onward they started, from then onward they were practicing the same hand. But he is the only person, he practiced from childhood with the left hand, but as he has lost it, he was having only the right hand itself, which is not the best of him. But even then, he was having the courage, he was having the confidence on himself. He want to go through that situation then. Then he participated under that 1944, he got the gold medal. And once again, after 4 years, once again in 1948, 1948, he got the first medal. But in 1938, his age was 28 actually. But 1948, by the time 10 years more his age was. And the sportsmen who were competing with him, they were actually youngsters. And you know better about the youngsters means they will have more energy. But he has proved that if we are having the guts, the age won't matter. Whatever the age it may be. Now even Biden, the American president, also he has proved the same thing then. Being in the 60 years, and maybe I think you have learned the story of him that actually he was unable to speak up to 10 years and he has faced a lot of problems after that. So in the same way, he too participated in the 1948 and he got first medal, gold medal in the Olympics. And again he participated in the 1952 also after 4 years. With the same spirit, again he got the medal and he has made the history at the time to his period that in the Olympics, in the same event, no one got the gold medal for 2 times. So here also same thing. Loser may have the many reasons. So here not to go with that, though we got the corona, because many times we have written that DSC maybe I think we have written exams and we could not make it. So no need to feel that anything, because we had feel that maybe something is lying under that. And when we are competing with youngsters, we are worried about, though in the field also nowadays, as our age is growing up, so that maybe we can't show our performance, maybe we can't stay in the field. No, it is not so. Every day we have to update ourselves. As madam said just now that this time we have learned in a new way by corona. No need of corona. We can learn ourselves also many things if we have the willingness. So with the same spirit, may you continue. Anyhow, it's a good news that the schools are going to reopen for 9 days initially, and after maybe for the remaining class also. So I hope and expect that everyone will do his best for the institution. Thank you very much.
A wonderful story, inspirational story. Of course, a self-confidence is a mountainous strength in ourselves. First of all, if we believe in ourselves, success is ours. Many people are there in our life who can discourage always to us, but very few those who are encouraging. So we have to go with that motivation, with that encouragement. Of course, success is ours. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call upon the stage Panditji sir.
शुभोदय मंच पर स्थित श्रीमान संस्था संचालक जी, आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापक जी और प्रधान अध्यापक जी और मेरे साथी सहपाठियों, प्यारे छात्रों, सभी को 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। हम सभी जानते हैं कि गणतंत्र दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं। इस गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने के कारण क्या हो सकते हैं, वे सभी विषय हम सब लोगों को जानते हैं और समय के अभाव के कारण से मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बताना नहीं चाहता हूँ। एक छोटी सी कविता सुनाकर मेरी वाणी को समाप्त करता हूँ। देश हमारा सबसे प्यारा, देश हमारा सबसे प्यारा, न्यारा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जान से ज़्यादा भी प्यारा ये न्यारा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। इसकी मिट्टी की खुशबू, इसकी मिट्टी की खुशबू लगती जहाँ से प्यारी है, कहाँ थे इसे हम जन्मभूमि, ये प्यारी धरा हमारी है। अलग अलग धर्मों में भी तो, अलग अलग धर्मों में भी तो एकता की परछाई है। देश एक है, एक ही नारा, भारत हमारा, जान से प्यारा। जय हिंद।
First of all, good morning to the Honorable Correspondent Sir, Principal Madam, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, and all my colleagues. So as today we have gathered here to celebrate or to commemorate the leaders who have been fought for the sake of freedom. And after many years, how our Indian nation has got its own constitution to follow and to rule the people, and also how the society should lead in their life. So as we know very well, as everyone, we are celebrating as the 72nd Republic Day. So I hope from Corona, it's first Republic celebration. So once again, I hope not only India, but all the world, total world, all the countries in the world, definitely they should celebrate this Republic Day. Because once again, we have got a new life, and with new determination, as Madam said, as all the teachers have said, with a spirit, with a determination, with a strong desire to get our accomplishments to be in our life, to achieve our achievements, whatever we are prepared. So I hope it's a new occasion for us, it's a new change for us. It's definitely, as Madam also told, it's a very important to every child, every human being to maintain the hygienic conditions in the life. So that's very important. Of course, from every failure or success, everyone will learn the lessons compulsorily. So definitely this is a new hope, I think so. So thank you, and once again I thank for all to give this opportunity. Respected chairpersons, my dear colleagues, I wish you all happy Republic Day and blessings to kids over here. Next, I would like to congratulate each and everyone to be a survivor in this pandemic situation. As it is Republic Day, of course, we have come to an extent. Our India has developed right from not having the kit to supplying the vaccine to other countries. So it's the greatest achievement by our Indians. And next thing is, as it is a constitution related celebrating day. Now we have survived and we have passed that situation, and now we are about to write our own constitution, that is nothing but to set our destiny and live a happy life. Thank you one and all.
About the constitution, of course, honorable correspondent sir, respected principal sir, principal ma'am, vice principal sir, and all my dear colleagues, I wish you a very happy 72nd Republic Day. Of course, today it is a happy moment as well as a little sad moment, because we are here but our students are not there. Because this is a national festival, our children have a right to celebrate this. Because of pandemic COVID-19, they are unable to attend the school. Anyhow, a happy Republic Day. The Constitution to prepare a drafting committee was set up in 1946, and a constitution was prepared approximately within 3 years, which was adopted in the year of 1949 on 26th of November. 26th of November is considering as Constitutional Day, but after some modification, this came into existence in the year of 1950 on 26th of January. Since 1950 till date, we are celebrating this day as a Constitution, as a Republic Day. So what is the importance in Constitution? Everything. But most important thing is preamble. What is the preamble actually? The preamble is nothing but the preface of the Constitution, or you can say the heart of the Constitution, introduction of the Constitution, or you can even call it as content of the Constitution. The preamble was prepared on 13th of December 1946 by our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is called in Telugu as Ashayalu Tirmanalu. So this is also known as Objectives and Resolution. This took from the Objectives and Resolution. So, in the historical context of India, the preamble was amended only once by his daughter, Indira Gandhi when she was acted as Prime Minister in the year of 1976, 42nd of Amendment. Socialist, secular, national integrity, these words were added in 1976 in the preamble of our Indian Constitution. Of course, more than 100 amendments completed, but preamble was amended only once. It's a great thing. The preamble is giving opportunity to every citizen of India, we the people of India, solemnly adopting and enacting this constitution to all of us. Of course, today the state or the central the governments are ruling on the basis of federalism, a word which is added in the constitution and be adopted from the Canada. So everything actually whichever the articles, schedules and the parts are there, we adopted from the foreign countries which are benefited to our Indian country to develop our nation that we accepted. So once again, a happy 72nd Constitutional Republican Day. We don't have even the students and we don't have even the time. That's why I want to wind up my speech, my small message with this. Thank you so much.
Good morning to one and all. Honorable correspondent sir, respected principal sir and principal madam. On this auspicious day, I want to wish you a happy Republic Day to all. So all of you know how our constitution was formed due to struggle of our national leaders. Due to so many struggles, our constitution was come into amendment or come into force on 26th January 1950. Now the whole nation brightened its talk to convey the message in solidarity, in diversity. But today, due to COVID-19, we are unable to celebrate this national festival with unity, and we are missing our students, those who used to gather, those who used to celebrate in this Apex Garden. So we are facing lot of problem due to this pandemic disease. So let us, on this eventful day, we will pray the God to protect ourselves and to make us to welcome in the life. Okay. Let us pledge to protect ourselves, to all of us, due to this pandemic disease. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Honorable guests, respected correspondent sir, principal sir, principal madam, and my dear colleagues. First of all, I wish you a happy Republic Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate celebrating 72nd Republic Day. This day is very important in our lives, and we celebrate this with great enthusiasm, all Indians. And the Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. As the Constitution came into force throughout India, Indian citizens got their basic needs and rights. Today we are living. How we are living? Because of the sacrifice of our great leaders who have sacrificed their lives and struggled to get our independent life. To overcome all this, we had to fight with the Corona. Today, many youths and people are facing problems of unemployment. Unemployment has a high in our country. So, to overcome all these problems, we have to fight with these problems and to make our country once again good position and in all the fields, to understand, we should understand our responsibilities and we should take all the steps to develop our country and
हिंदूसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुले है इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदूसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हम सारे आसमां का पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हम सारे आसमां का वो संतरी हमारा वो कासबा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा गोदी में खेलती है किसी हजारों नदियाँ गोदी में खेलती है किसी हजारों नदियाँ गुलशन है किसके दम से रश्ते जीना हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदूसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदूसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदूसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हमारे देश में हर धर्म के लोग शांति से रहते हैं अपने रिवाजों का पालन करते हैं और अपने त्योहार भी मनाते हैं लेकिन फिर भी हर मन में एकता की भावना है पर कोई संकट आता है तब सब एकजुट होकर उसका सामना करते हैं इसका मतलब सब भारतीय एक हाथ की तरह है हर उंगली अलग अलग लेकिन जब सब एक हो जाते हैं वह मुट्ठी बन जाती है ऐसे महान देश को हमारे प्रणाम भारत माता की जय
Good morning to one and all, respected chairpersons and my dear colleagues. First of all, I want to wish you a happy 72nd Republic Day. As we all know that today is the day in 1950 we got up. Our constitution came into force. So on this occasion, I want to tell the greatness of India. India is known for its rich tradition and culture. India is the land of holy rivers,
beautiful mountains and dense forest. We have different cultures, different religions, food, clothes, and traditions, yet we stand united. Unity in diversity is the uniqueness of India. In one word, we can say that India is a beautiful country. Now, India is rapidly developing in all various sectors. India is also a home of all talented. India is also a home of inventions that change the lives of people. India is believed that full of talented and innovative people. India is a country where people respect elders. People of India believe in peace and harmony. India is an integrated country where the people show brotherhood among others. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Colleagues, my dear students, I would like to say thank you for giving such a great opportunity to speak something on our Republic Day. We all are here today to celebrate 72nd Republic Day of our nation. This is a great auspicious for all of us, auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. Our country has developed a lot and counted among the powerful countries. Together with great developments and some drawbacks have also arisen, such poverty, inequality, illiteracy, corruption, unemployment. We need to take a pledge today for solving these problems in the society to make our country a best country of the world. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam. Of course, how we are equal? We are equal just before the law. Politically, we are equal to cast our vote to select our representative. Of course, we are not equal socially, we are not equal economically because our incomes are quite different to each other. So we have equality on the grounds of politics, on the grounds of nationalistic nature, not socialistic nature. Thank you. Next, I would like to call on the stage.
Good morning, one and all. Happy Republic Day.
We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will live in peace, we will live in peace, we will live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The whole wide world around, the whole wide world around someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday.
Thank you. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Very melodious song. Next, I would like to call on the stage Jagadishwari Madam to sing a song. Balamani Madam and Jagadishwari Madam both will sing a song. అఖండ భారత్ ఒక చిన్న గేయం ఇది. మనమందరం ఒకటే అనే చాటి చెప్పే గేయం. నీవు నేను వారు వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనమొకటే, కొలిచే దేవతలెందరూ ఉన్న తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. నీవు నేను వారు వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనమొకటే, కొలిచే దేవతలెందరూ ఉన్న తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. కులాలు వర్గాలెన్నున్నా, భాషలు యాసలు ఎన్నన్నా, కులాలు వర్గాలెన్నున్నా, భాషలు యాసలు ఎన్నున్నా, పై పై భేదాలెన్నున్నా, మనసులో ఏకత్వం ఒకటే. పై పై భేదాలెన్నున్నా, మనసులో ఏకత్వం ఒకటే. నీవు నేను వారు వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనమొకటే, కొలిచే దేవతలెందరూ ఉన్న తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. రాముడు కృష్ణుడు రానా శివాని ఆదర్శాలు మనకొకటే, సుఖ దుఃఖాలు శత్రుమిత్రులు గెలుపోటములు మనకొకటే. రాముడు కృష్ణుడు రానా శివాని ఆదర్శాలు మనకొకటే, సుఖ దుఃఖాలు శత్రుమిత్రులు గెలుపోటములు మనకొకటే. విశాలగాథ విజయగాథల చరితొకటే, జీవన పద్ధతి మనకొకటే. విజయగాథల చరితొకటే, జీవన గాథలు ఒకటే. మనస వాచ క్రియ రూపమున దేశభక్తిలో మనమొకటే. మనస వాచ క్రియ రూపమున భక్తిలో మనమొకటే. నీవు నేను వారు వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనమొకటే, కొలిచే దేవతలెందరూ ఉన్న తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. మట్టి చెట్టును నీటిని గోవును తల్లిగా చూసే చూపొకటే, పూరి ద్వారక శబరిమలై కేదారుల నాదుల పూజకటే. మట్టిని చెట్టును నీటిని గోవును తల్లిగా చూసే చూపొకటే, పూరి ద్వారక శబరిమలై కేదారుల నాదుల పూజకటే. శ్రద్ధ భక్తులు మనకొకటే, శ్రేష్ఠ పరంపర మనకొకటే. శ్రద్ధ భక్తుల మనకొకటే, శ్రేష్ఠ పరంపర మనకొకటే. యుగ యుగాలుగా తరగని చెరగ భారత సంస్కృతి మనకొకటే. యుగ యుగాలుగా తరగని చెరగ భారత సంస్కృతి ఒకటే. నీవు నేను వారు వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనమొకటే, కొలిచే దేవతలెందరూ ఉన్న తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. కులాలు వర్గాలెన్నున్నా, భాషలు యాసలు ఎన్నన్నా, కులాలు వర్గాలెన్నున్నా, భాషలు యాసలు ఎన్నన్నా, పై పై భేదాలెన్నున్నా, మనలో ఏకత్వం ఒకటే. నీవు నేను వారు వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనమొకటే, కొలిచే దేవతలెందరూ ఉన్న తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Let's know to show our energy in our clapping. Please put your hands together all at once. अपेक्स की आवाज गूंजनी चाहिए आपके हाथों से. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last not the least, a last performance now by Shobharani madam, Veena madam and Aruna madam to sing a song.
మగువా మగువాడి సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా అటు ఇటు అన్నింటా జరుగులు తీసావు ఇంట బయట అలుపని రమ్మంటానే అనవంట వెలుగులు పూసావు వెళ్ళే దారంతా సా గమప మాగసా గమప మాగసా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమని మాగసా గమప మాగసా గమప మాగసా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమని మాగసా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా నీ కాటుక కనులు విప్పారకపోతే ఈ భూమికి తెలవారదుగా నీ గాజుల చేయి కదలాడకపోతే ఏ మనుగడ కొనసాగదుగా ప్రతి వరుసలోను ప్రేమగా అల్లుకున్న బంధమా అంతులేని నీ శ్రమ అంచనాల కందుల ఆలయాలు కోరినై ఆదిశక్తి రూపమా నీవు లేని జగతిలో దీపమే వెలుగునా నీద గులాలనలో ప్రేమగు పాలనలో ప్రతి ఒక్క మగవాడు పసివాడేగా ఎందరి పెదవులలో ఏ చిరునవ్వున్నా ఆ సిరి మెరుపులకు మూలమును పేగా సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమని మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమని మాగ సా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమప సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమని మాగ సా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమని మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ సా గమప మాగ గమప మాగ గమని మాగ సా
Thank you, teachers. Now, any other teacher, if interested to speak, to say any wishes or any message, you can come forward. Any teacher.
గౌరవనీయులైన కరస్పాండెంట్ సార్ గారు, ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం, ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ గారు, మిగతా పెద్దలు, నాతోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులు, ఇచ్చేసినటువంటి విద్యార్థులు అందరికీ 72వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం గురించి, స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం గురించి ఇక్కడున్న ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ తెలిసిన విషయమే. కాకపోతే ముఖ్యంగా విద్యార్థులకు 7th 8th నుంచి ఈ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ విషయం గురించి తెలుస్తుంది. అయితే మిగతా పిల్లలందరూ కూడా గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవానికి హాజరవుతున్నారు. కాకపోతే వాళ్ళ లోపల ఉత్సాహం అనేది కనిపించట్లేదు. మీ పాఠశాల సమయం లోపల, మన పాఠశాల సమయం లోపల గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం కానీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం కానీ వచ్చినాయంటే ఒకరోజు ముందు నుంచే ఆ యొక్క దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటివన్నీ కూడా తయారు చేసుకోవడం అనేది ఉత్సాహం మన లోపల కనిపించింది. ఆ ఉత్సాహం అనేది నేటి విద్యార్థుల లోపల కనిపించట్లేదు. దానిని మనమే వాళ్ళ లోపల ఆ ఉత్సాహాన్ని కల్పించాలనేది నా ఉద్దేశం. ముఖ్యంగా తల్లిదండ్రుల ప్రేరణ కూడా ఉండాలి, కాకపోతే వాళ్ళకి అంత తీరిక లేదు. దానిని కల్పించాల్సిన బాధ్యత మనదే. మనం సమయం చూసుకొని సాంఘిక శాస్త్ర ఉపాధ్యాయులు బోధిస్తారు అనే ఉద్దేశంతో మిగతా ఉపాధ్యాయులం అందరం కూడా ఉండకుండా అప్పుడప్పుడు సమయం దొరికినప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ఈ విషయాలను మనం అందరం కూడా తెలపాలనే విషయం అనేది నా యొక్క ఉద్దేశం. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, our teachers, even in the primary section, not only the social studies teachers, but all the teachers, you must take a charge on your shoulder to teach about the importance of Independence Day, Republic Day, how and why we are celebrating these as national festivals every year. Thank you so much. Any other teacher? Any master? Okay. So I would like to call once again our Vice Principal, sir, to give the word of thanks.
Thank you, madam. Though it's a corona period, and though the students are not available, but even then, the management has thought about with open heart to call all the teachers. So for that, I would like to thank the management and giving valuable time for us, our Sri Shyam Sir Garu, and even I would like to thank our principal sir and principal madam also, and for attending this function and making this function successful. Even Baswara sir Garu also, and actually as the students are not available, so I expected that the program will be means only the flag hosting, then immediately going to the room, having the treat, moving to houses. But I would like to thank Principal Madam, because yesterday she instructed me that why if the students are not there, what's the problem? Let's become as the students and let's have that idea about the Republic Day and even other things also. As we are being apart, departed because of this corona, we were separated actually, and we got the distance in between the human to human. So anyhow vaccine we got it, and now the days once again are coming back. So why should not we go with some programs? Then I said, okay madam, we'll go with the agenda, and as per that everyone did well, and special thanks for Parshuram sir, because you know better about actually in this situation from the institute side or from our administration side also, we can't command to anyone. Just we gave the message as an invitation itself, but even then everyone are present over here, and Parshuram sir took the pen yesterday onwards, even today, up to today also, he was continuously alone this time, because previously we used to take the help of IAMAs, and he used to take the help of even some students or teachers, that cooperation, and other PD teachers also. He used to have get the cooperation from them, but because of health reasons of Ganesh sir misses, he could not come, and because of some puja like that at home, Ruha madam could not come, but even then alone he has handled. So I would like to thank even Parshuram sir also, and IAMAs also. Only 3 are here. Even then, how the way we ask for them, in that way they arrange. So natural thing is anyhow now and then we'll find the changes. This is only called nature. So changes. Okay, maybe we got corona. This type of period has been seen earlier, 100 years ago, by other human beings also. As that we have seen, and not only for humans, but even celestial bodies changes will be there. And if you have the idea about, maybe I think January 21st onwards, the change in the earth also we got, that maybe I think revolution of earth has increased once again. Previously it was decreased, it was moving slowly. Now the speed of earth has increased from January 21st. That's why we're going to find changes in the time also. The throughout the worldwide, they're planning to change 1 second. They want to make instead of 60 seconds or 59 seconds like that. But for that, we are thinking about maybe when I am saying second is very simple now. But to make a change that seconds throughout the world, whatever the things were made with respect to the timing, all have to get changed. And because of that, actually I can't say the number actually. That will be the crores which we are going to get the loss. So that loss because of this change on the earth, and the changes are because of us also. That is correlated, interrelated anyhow. So that's why no need to worry about all these changes, and expect that whenever the school gets reopened, all the teachers will join once again and will cooperate to management and to the admission side. So I would like to thank once again, and happy Republic Day, 72nd Republic Day once again. Thank you very much. Treat for the teachers the same way we are in the same room.